Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace or upgrade the tail lights bulbs on a 2010 Ford Focus. So if yours is burnt out or you simply want to upgrade to an LED type of bulb, you can definitely do it. So first thing, we'll open up the trunk here. It will show you inside of what you need to dismantle to get the process started. Alright, so now we had the hatch open here. So what we need to access is to remove these panels here. There's be one on each side of the vehicle. We also need to remove this plastic cover here to gain access to be able to remove this, because this one sits on top and it kind of covers that one. So first you're going to do, you're going to grab this plastic cover here, take that off. It's that simple. Then what you're going to do is on the inside here, there's these clips, as you can see them from there, these clips here, this will be four of them. You need to remove those. So all it is a Phillips little screw here. You unscrew it, you pull them off, and you're able to remove this. All right, once you have all four clips off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab from the bottom here. You're gonna pull forward to release the clips, like that, and it'll go and lift straight up. You can see here that was covering here. So all we gotta do now is do the same thing. There'll be same type of little screws here, two of them, one top to bottom. Let's take those off. Now that we got both of those top and bottom here, we're gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna grab this panel here and just pull forward and out like that. Be a couple clips on it. It should come right off. So be one clip at the bottom here, and the other ones are just in there nice and snug. So now that we got this out of the way, there'll be two bolts we gotta remove. This one here on the left, this one on the right. There's a nut you have to remove to get the rest of the light assembly out. Okay, so now we gotta remove the nut. So you can use either gonna be using a deep socket, either a 12 mil or a 7/16 should work. Just like that. Now we got the light assembly off. Now all we got to do is access the different lights. So this, the bottom one here, that's for your reverse light. The top one here, that's for your combo light, which is what this one is. So it's the brake light and your turn light into one bulb. Remove the lights to replace them. For the bottom one, all you got to do is turn counterclockwise and then slide it out. That's how this one comes off. Now for this one, to get the light bulb out, you have to remove the harness first. So grab it and you should just slide it back to get that off. And then you can turn the light bulb counterclockwise, and same thing, you'll be able to slide it out. Just angle it like so to remove that one. If you leave the harness in the way, it's not going to allow you the wiggle room to get the light out. And to replace them, you got to do the exact same thing. Just put it back in. Find the three little tabs where they line up to. Should be about there. Once it's sitting flush, turn it clockwise and lock it into place. Do the same thing with the reverse light. Once you replace your bulb, find it where all three tabs. There's three tabs on each bulb. You have to find the correct location for, and just angle it where it was before. Make sure it sits flush. Turn it clockwise, lock it into place. Then we're going to grab this harness and put it back and connect the light. Just slide right into place again. Lock it in, and you're done. Now we're going to put it back. One thing to note, you're going to see this white piece here on the side. That needs to line up with this little groove here of the light assembly. Then of course the two bolts here will go to the bottom, and this one here at the top piece. So just line everything up to where they needs to go, and then you're gonna just slide it forward and then lock it right into place. So like so. And then just slide it forward. It's going to be a little bit loose until you go and put the two nuts back on the inside and tighten them up, and you should sit right like it was before. That's how you replace or upgrade the lights on a 2010 Ford Focus. It should be the exact same process for that generation of Fords. Fairly easy to do. So now you gotta do is put everything back. So now you got the letter assembly back into place, replace your two nuts on there, then put one cover piece and then the bottom longer piece along the two of them. And then if you have to do the same thing to the other side, exact same process. So again, fairly easy to do. Thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.